Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bathroom cleaning tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a sparkling and hygienic home, transforming the daunting task of scrubbing away grime and soap scum into a surprisingly manageable chore. Imagine effortlessly gliding this tool across your tiles, reaching every nook and cranny with its innovative design, and leaving behind nothing but a pristine shine that reflects your commitment to a clean living space. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about reclaiming your time and enjoying a bathroom that feels like a sanctuary, free from the stress of stubborn stains and lingering odors. Number 5. LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro. Tired of backbreaking cleaning? This electric spin scrubber makes tidying up your home easier and more comfortable. It's perfect for everyone, especially those who struggle with bending or kneeling, saving you precious time and energy. Experience a powerful clean with its high-speed rotating brush. It tackles tough stains on shower bathrooms, tiles, grout, and toilets, leaving your home looking brand new when used with your favorite cleaning agent. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of cleaning on a single 3.5-hour charge. Its cordless and waterproof design allows you to reach every corner effortlessly, all while operating quietly under 70 dB. It comes with a detachable extension rod and 4 different brush heads to suit any cleaning task. Its 3-part design makes it simple to use and store, adapting to various surfaces. This versatile cleaning tool is built with durable bristles for various tasks, from bathrooms and floors to car wheels. We are committed to quality and customer satisfaction, promising to resolve any issues within 24 hours. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This electric cleaning brush set is a practical and appreciated present for family and friends, perfect for any occasion like birthdays or holidays. What we like? This electric spin scrubber is designed to save you time and effort. Its adjustable extension handle means no more bending or kneeling, making it perfect for those with back issues or for the elderly. If you're looking for a way to clean your bathroom comfortably without straining your body, this is the tool for you. What people say. The brush is designed with a long handle, making it easy to reach difficult areas without bending over. It effectively scrubs away soap scum and grime from tiles and grout, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. The bristles are firm yet flexible, providing a good balance for tackling tough stains without scratching delicate surfaces. Number 4. Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of traditional cleaning? This new household tool is designed to change your life. With ergonomic design and advanced chip technology, it makes cleaning effortless. Its high-capacity battery ensures long-lasting performance. Clean every corner without bending or kneeling. It offers 3 adjustable lengths, from 12 to 54 inches, and a cordless design for ultimate freedom. This makes cleaning easier, especially for those with back or joint issues. This scrubber is built for humid environments. Its tight protection design allows you to clean bathrooms and wet surfaces with confidence. Just remember not to immerse the entire handle in water. Choose the perfect cleaning power with 2 speed settings, 300 revolutions per minute for gentle cleaning and 500 revolutions per minute for tougher jobs. Easily switch between speeds to tackle any mess efficiently and save your valuable time. It comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads, suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. From bathrooms and kitchens to cars and glass, these soft yet effective bristles won't scratch surfaces. For safe operation, avoid immersing the main body in water and keep away from entangled items like hair. Ensure the telescopic rod is twisted to retract. Adult supervision is recommended for children. What we like? With its unique 3 adjustable lengths and dual speed settings, this spin scrubber offers unparalleled versatility. If you need a tool that can adapt to various cleaning heights and tackle different levels of grime, from light dusting to stubborn stains, this is an excellent choice for a comprehensive home clean. What people say. The brush has a good grip and is easy to maneuver around the toilet bowl. The bristles are firm enough to scrub away tough stains but soft enough not to scratch the porcelain. The holder keeps the brush tidy and out of sight when not in use. Number 3. Eyliden 2-in-1 Toilet Plunger and Brush Set. Introducing a 2-in-1 bathroom essential that combines a toilet plunger and brush into one compact set. It tackles both clogs and cleaning tasks, saving valuable space in your bathroom. Experience powerful plunging action with its premium TPR suction cup, creating an ultra-tight seal. This provides maximum power to clear tough clogs in toilets, showers, and sinks effectively. Achieve a 360 degrees deep clean with the classic hemispherical brush head. Its sturdy nylon bristles reach under the rim and into corners, removing stains and grime without scratching. This tool is safe for all toilets, featuring a non-scratch TPR cup and medium soft nylon bristles. They protect your toilet bowls from marks and scratches while being gentle yet effective. Enjoy compact and hygienic storage with individual holders that keep floors clean and dry. The ventilated caddy design prevents odors and tucks neatly beside your toilet. What we like. This is the ultimate space-saving solution for your bathroom. If you have a small bathroom or apartment and want to keep both your toilet clean and ready for clogs without clutter, this 2-in-1 plunger and brush set is ideal. It combines two essential tools into one neat package. What people say. The brush is designed with a long handle, making it easy to reach difficult areas without bending over. It effectively scrubs away soap, scum and grime from tiles and grout, leaving surfaces clean. The bristles are firm enough to clean thoroughly but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. Number 2. Lalafancy Extendable Bathroom Scrubber. Tired of bending and squatting to clean your bathroom? Our extendable scrubber reaches from floor to ceiling, making cleaning effortless. The triangular brush head with a 180-degree swivel easily tackles corners and grooves. Get a thorough clean in every nook and cranny. Save time on bathroom cleaning. Use it for tubs, showers, and floors. Detach the handle to clean sinks and toilets too. Putting it together is a breeze. The poles twist securely, and the interchangeable brush heads snap into place easily. Need new brush heads or pads? You can easily find replacements by searching for Lalafancy brush refills. We're committed to providing cost-effective cleaning solutions. What we like. Reach every nook and cranny with ease thanks to its impressive extendable handle and 180-degree swivel head. If you struggle to clean high ceilings, deep tubs, or tight corners without stretching or contorting, this scrubber's design will make your cleaning routine significantly more effective and less strenuous. What people say. The brush is designed with a long handle, making it easy to reach all corners of the bathtub and shower without bending over. It effectively removes soap, scum and grime from tile surfaces, leaving them sparkling clean. The bristles are firm yet flexible, allowing for thorough scrubbing without scratching delicate surfaces. Number 1. Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber. Are you tired of bending and kneeling to clean? Now, you can finish your chores in a relaxed posture with this electric cleaning brush. It's designed to help you solve all your cleaning problems and say goodbye to tedious traditional cleaning. It offers 2 cleaning speeds, 300 revolutions per minute and 500 revolutions per minute, allowing you to choose the best method for different cleaning needs and stains. This helps you save valuable time and tackle messes efficiently. With its adjustable handle, extending from 14 to 53.5 inches, you can easily clean hard-to-reach places without bending or kneeling. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold, making long cleaning sessions easier. This comes with 8 replaceable brush heads suitable for various scenarios. Each brush effectively removes grout and stains from bathrooms, kitchens, grills, and more, reaching deep into corners. Featuring a new battery display and fast Type-C charging, it has a 3000 mAh battery. A full charge takes 2 to 3 hours and provides up to 90 minutes of work time, ensuring you can clean without interruption. What we like. This electric spin scrubber boasts an impressive array of 8 brush heads, ensuring you have the right tool for virtually any cleaning task. If you appreciate having a dedicated brush for every surface and want to keep track of your battery life with its new display, this is the most versatile and user-friendly option for deep cleaning your entire home. What people say. The extendable handle is a game-changer for reaching high shower walls and ceilings without a stool. The pivoting head allows it to easily maneuver around curves and into tight corners, making cleaning much more efficient. The scrubber pads are surprisingly durable and effective at removing soap, scum and grime with minimal effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.